International regulations for preventing collisions at sea. Annex 2. Additional signals for fishing vessels fishing in close proximity. 1. General. The lights mentioned herein shall, if exhibited in pursuance of Rule 26(d), be placed where they can best be seen. They shall be at least 0.9 meter apart, but at a lower level than lights prescribed in Rule 26(b)(1) and (c)(1). The lights shall be visible all round the horizon at a distance of at least 1 mile, but at a lesser distance than the lights prescribed by these rules for fishing vessels. 2. Signals for trawlers. A. Vessels of 20 meters or more in length when engaged in trawling, whether using demersal or pelagic gear, shall exhibit 1. When shooting their nets, 2 white lights in a vertical line. 2. When hauling their nets, 1 white light over 1 red light in a vertical line. 3. When the net has come fast upon an obstruction, 2 red lights in a vertical line. B. Each vessel of 20 meters or more in length engaged in pair trawling shall exhibit 1. By night, a searchlight directed forward and in the direction of the other vessel of the pair. 2. When shooting or hauling their nets or when their nets have come fast upon an obstruction, the lights prescribed in 2(a) above. C. A vessel of less than 20 meters in length engaged in trawling, whether using demersal or pelagic gear or engaged in pair trawling, may exhibit the lights prescribed in paragraphs A or B of this section, as appropriate. Three. Signals for purse seiners. Vessels engaged in fishing with purse seine gear may exhibit 2 yellow lights in a vertical line. These lights shall flash alternately every second and with equal light and occultation duration. These lights may be exhibited only when the vessel is hampered by its fishing gear.